If you got a rusty old truck that you're trying to keep on the road, you definitely need this VEVOR 90-piece tool set. It is absolutely amazing. You get the T20 all the way up to the T55. You get all your extensions, you get adapters, you get the swivels as well. Each of these pieces moves for all those tight to reach spots. Plus you have the extended ones and the low tops, and you got these stars as well in a very sturdy case. So if your truck needs a ton of work like this one, look at all that rust, flat tire, who knows what's going on underneath there, paint's peeling, everything is messed up on it, you need one of these. If you have the right tools, you'll be able to fix any project. So definitely click on the link right there, grab yours while they are still in stock. They have sold out every single time before. There's many different sets to choose from. They have the 60-piece, the 90-piece, the 30-piece, whichever one you prefer, you can get. So definitely check it out. See you in the next video. Peace out.